Hello everyone, welcome back to the new video. So today we are able to see these like scenario based questions of the Power BI, how to calculate total MTD, total QTD and total YTD sales based on this table, right? So firstly we fetch this data from the Excel sheet. There is a option for a global superstore data set. Just click on to that. Open in the Power BI desktop only. Choose this order table. Just load into the here. It will take some time. Yeah, it's loaded successfully. So after that, you know that there is a different types of column present like category, city, and this order date, product, and the sales column is also there. So based on this order date, what we will do, create a new date table from this. So I will just click on to that order table. What we will do later, this is the new table we create for the date table separately. That is the date table is equal to, that is the calendar function we use for this. That is the orders minimum of order. This is the minimum function we also use into that calendar. So just go to the orders, and that is the order date we choose from this only, and just close it. And after that, max function we use here to highest value we can calculate from this orders date table. So yeah, we can show here as a date, order date. Just click on to that and create this date. Yeah, just go to this date table view. From that, there is a, we can able to show this option date table is created. Just click on to that and convert this into the date only. So based on this, what we will do, just find the year only from this. So just click on to that, and there is a new option of the year. We calculate here. This is the year only. Year is equal to year function we'll use here. That import this date table here. Just enter it. You can able to find this is a year, new column will created. After that, based on this, just create it, and just new column will created. So here we choose this month option. Yeah, choose this as a month is equal, sorry, month is equal to, that is the month of, from this we can able to do this. That is the date, date year we choose. Yeah, we easily calculate this month from this. Sorry, we will choose this other name for this. That is the month number. Yeah, so now we will calculate this. Based on this, there is a new column will create. So that column name is month only. Month is equal to format option we use here. From that format, just click onto that date table, and based on this, what we will do, just okay, that is the yeah, month will calculate this from this month, right? It's facing right, or we can choose this 4 type of M only, because we want full month name. So yeah, after that we calculate the day only. So just click onto that new column we choose as a day is equal to day of this, and fetch this order date only. Yeah, day will be calculated also here. So that's it from the date table. So just directly we jump into the Power BI desktop, and we'll do this, how to calculate this current this total MD, total QT and total YTD. So firstly we choose this table format option here. In that, what we will implement, we put here as a firstly year, after that month, after that day will put, right? So this some of like, don't summarize, okay, it's now fine, right? So that is this Firstly, we'll calculate this total MTD. So just take a new measure in the order table. Just click onto that, right click onto that, and new measure. So yeah, total that is MTD cells is equal to, that is total MTD, right? This DAX will choose. There is a one column in the order table, that is the sorry, that is the sum of this, some function we use here, and based on this order cells, right, we'll choose this order cells, order cells we choose, right? This is the option here. Just close it, right? Comma, what we will put here, just a date, that is the date option here. Okay, yeah, yes, this DAX is this successfully created. So just we implement this in the values, this DAX, right? Which DAX we want? This total MTD. Just drag it on the values, sorry, just drag it into the table only. So what will happen here, sorry, why these values are showing wrong? Because we didn't do this as of now data modeling. So just date is this one to many relationships are there. So just click on to that. Yeah, once will do. So just go to please check once. Yeah, it's fine. Yeah, now we will see this. Sorry, before that just we simple this cells table we put here. After that we put this. As of now we can say this, this is the sum of cells, that is the first is same as it is. After that this 9,88,000 will combine with this 10,37,000, and our record will come as it is. Why it's showing like that? Just go to that sum of the date and don't summarize this, right? So as of now you can able to see this, that is the 808.56, it's same coming, and after that this 808 will combine with this 314, and total addition of this will 11. So after that this 1122 will combine with this 450, and this calculation will done for this. This is the MTD. So I will show this MTD means like from the January to 1st of January to till 31st of January, its count will came. So 91,000 will combine with this 91,000 will combine with this 7,642. So our count is like that only. And after that February will came like 2,455, as same as it is for the first row, and it's combined with this 7,712. So it will combine with this. After that this will combine with this, and this record will come at the end of the February. What we can able to show this 91,000 this combined with 12,000. So 10 lakh count will be showing. So that's it for the total MTD. Just same as it is, we go for a QTD, right? So just create a new measure for this, that is the new measure. We just copy paste as it is for this. Yeah, I just copy paste as it is for this MTD. Just copy it and create a new measure. Okay, just replace it MTD to QTD, and as it is do for this same, right? So just click on to that. Now we will, what we will do, just total MTD we add this in that. Okay, total QTD just we add into that, and as of now we can combine, we can see that this 80856 as it is, and after that 8086 will combine with this same as it is. So all the records are same for this QTD, which is quarterly. January, February, March. This is the first quarter, and next is April, May, June. Next is July, August, September, and last is October, November, December. That is the 4 quarter. So just we will see that from the January to uh, for this March end, right? So what we'll do? So this three, so 335 it combined with this, and our output is like this only. Sorry, this, right? I will show you this March of the 30 March is this 335, and after that this 2582 will combine this 338, right? That is the count. So this is for the QTD, and same as it is for the YTD. So just copy paste as it is for this, and this is for the YTD only. So YTD is equal to this YTD DAX we use here, just as it is for the all, and just replace this, just add this YTD here only. So you know that what happened in the YTD. So this sum of the cells for the January 1st day, it's 808, right? So after that what happened, if we see herely, so I will choose this as a slicer here. For the slicer we put this year only, so just year as it is, and just do the drop down here. So yeah, so what happened here I will show you. So suppose I choose this 2015 or anything, right? So suppose I choose this 2015 here. So from the January it is showing this count for this, right? Some of the cells, and just go as it is for the end, it will show that like this is right. This 30 is same this and addition of this only. So yeah, it's right. This 40 this combined with this 13,000, and our output is came into that. So this is for the total MTD, total QTD, and total YTD. So that's it from my end. Thank you.